Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to stop silenced calls on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please do not forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and swipe down the control center. Locate focus if focus is enabled or do not disturb is enabled. Just go ahead, click on it once to turn off do not disturb. That is the first thing you want to do if you want to stop silenced calls on your iPhone. Now, if do not disturb is not active, then go ahead and open settings. Scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down to phone and then select it. Now scroll down the phone page until you get to silence or non-callers. If you use iOS 18, locate and disable silence or non-callers. On iOS 26 or later, come down to where you say calls from unknown numbers, then toggle off move to unknown callers. Then you are good. This is going to help you to stop silence calls on iPhone. So that is basically how to stop silenced calls on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.